you gotta be more bread. Back at you with the first video in the garage. Or coming at you with the video in the garage, the first video in the garage. I'm actually really excited about this one. I'm come over here and grab you guys as I got a little tripod set up over here. And let me show you what we're working on. If you checked out the Daytona video, you saw I did an interview with Eddie over at AdvanBlack. I told you I had something in the works. I went ahead and got me these AdvanBlack hose shop bags, and they were delivered the day before we left to go to Daytona, so I didn't install them then. I am going to install these real quick. We are a little snug in here still. I got to get all this stuff out of here. This all will be getting out of here soon, and we'll be able to make the space a little bit more for me, and a little bit better to shoot in here without all the clutter. But it's better than being in the backyard for sure. Advan bag brackets. These are the ones that sit up higher, so that's the ones that I ordered, just so the bag doesn't sit so too low. Let's go ahead and get this bubble wrap off this thing, man. They got this wrapped really well, to say the least. Let's grab the hardware. It's of course the best part of it, everything we order, stickers. You see the bags, comes with a little bit of more hardware, some extra keys, very nice packaging, some rails that well, not rails, but some guards that sit on the rail so the bag doesn't get damaged, and then some more of those, some stairs, and then some clips. Pretty simple. As you can see, the bracket is installed. Just gotta snug everything up. I put a little bit of Loctite on everything. Bracket is installed. Let's get the bag on there just to see how it looks real quick. Put a little washer in there, and snug these up in there, man. What's up? Easy. Bracket isn't too bad, easy. 3 bolts to get it on, and then just the 2 little wheels to snug it up there. See how it looks from the back. Bags on there. Let me know what you guys think, how they look. I think they look good, but they're missing something. They look good, but they're missing something. All right, as you can see, YouTube, the bags are mounted. Hose shop bags. Bike's all washed up. She was filthy. Got her all cleaned up. Got the Daytona stench off of her finally. But check the bags out. Let me know what you think. I do have some bag liners on the way, but as you can see, gotta wipe her out from the painters, but it's all mounted up. Quality's real nice. Locks and everything. Let's go over. Mount it up. Let me know what you guys think about the AdvanBlack hose shop bags. Let me know if you guys are liking them. But I'm gonna sign off on this one. Me and Mark came over to Renegade Classic, looking for a helmet. But that's it on the hose shop bags, man. I'm liking them. I like them a lot. I think they look real good. If you have a softail and you're looking for some hard bags, the whole chop look, check them out. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all on the next one.